Assalamualaikum and welcome to Shares Bhai channel. Let's have Pakistan General Knowledge Quiz Challenge to test your knowledge and see how much you really know about our beloved country Pakistan. Question: what is the national language of Pakistan? A. Pashto, B. Urdu, C. English, D. Punjabi. And the answer is Urdu. Next question: what is the capital of Pakistan? A. Rawalpindi, B. Lahore, C. Islamabad, D. Karachi. And the answer is Islamabad. Next question: what is the national animal of Pakistan? A. Elephant, B. Lion, C. Markhor, D. Gazelle. And the answer is Markhor, the wild goat with twisted horns. Next question: what is the national fruit of Pakistan? A. Mango, B. Apple, C. Banana, D. Sugarcane. And the answer is mango. Next question: which is the national flag of Pakistan? A, B, C or D? And the answer is option D. Next question: who is the founder of Pakistan? A. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, B. Liaquat Ali Khan, C. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, D. Allama Iqbal. And the answer is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Baba-e-Qaum of Pakistan. Next question: in which year did Pakistan gain independence? A. 1956, B. 1948, C. 1947, D. 1921. And the answer is 1947. Next question: which is the largest province of Pakistan by area? A. Sindh, B. Balochistan, C. Punjab, D. KPK. And the answer is Balochistan. Balochistan is rich in sources and culture. Next question: what is the national flower of Pakistan? A. Rose, B. Sunflowers, C. Jasmine, D. Tulips. And the answer is jasmine, the white symbol of purity. Next question: who wrote the national anthem of Pakistan? A. Faiz Ahmad Faiz, B. Allama Iqbal, C. Hafiz Jalandhari. And the answer is Hafiz Jalandhari. Next question: what is the national bird of Pakistan? A. Chakor partridge, B. Eagle, C. Peacock, D. Sparrow. And the answer is Chakor partridge. Next question: what is the highest military award in Pakistan? A. Nishan-e-Haider, B. Tamgha-e-Imtiaz, C. Hilal-e-Jurrat, D. Satyara-e-Imtiaz. And the answer is Nishan-e-Haider. Next question: what is the national sport of Pakistan? A. Football, B. Field hockey, C. Cricket, D. Badminton. And the answer is field hockey. Through cricket is the most popular. How are you doing so far? Got the most answer right? Next question: which river is the longest river in Pakistan? A. Indus, B. Chenab, C. Jhelum, D. Sutlej. And the answer is Indus River. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment your score below. Let's continue. Next question: which is the largest dam in Pakistan? A. Mangla, D. Varsak, C. Tarbila, D. Khanpur. And the answer is Tarbila Dam, which is on the Indus River. Who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? Muhammad Ali Borga, Liaquat Ali Khan, Khwaja Nazimuddin, Allama Iqbal. And the answer is Liaquat Ali Khan, the Qaid-e-Millat of Pakistan. Next question. When Pakistani's Independence Day celebrated? 14 August, 15 August, 23 March or 1st May? And the answer is 14 August. Pakistani celebrated their Independence Day on 14 August. Now it's time for a brain break. Do you know Arshad Nadeem won the gold medal in men's javelin throw at 2024 Paris Olympics, becoming the first Pakistani track and field athlete to win an Olympic medal and the first individual Olympic gold medalist of Pakistan. He achieved this with a record-breaking throw of 92.97 meters, surpassing the previous Olympic record of 90.57 meters. Key highlights of Arshad Nadeem Olympics win: historic gold. Nadeem victories mark Pakistan's first Olympic gold medal in athletics and first individual gold medal in any sport. Olympic report: his throw of 92.97 meters not only secured the gold but also broke the previous Olympic record. First Pakistani medalist, he became Pakistan's first ever track and field athlete to win an Olympic medal. Now our brains are strong and ready to learn. Next question. Which city is famous for its historic gardens? A. Lahore, B. Multan, C. Islamabad, D. Karachi. And the answer is Lahore. The Lahore is the famous for its historic gardens. Now let's move to next question. What is the name of desert located in Pakistan? A. Thar Desert, B. Arabian Desert, C. Sahara, D. Kalahari Desert. And the answer is Thar Desert. So I hope you like our video. Comment your score and tag a friend to challenge them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun quizzes and facts about Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.